Hi students, this is Suchya teaching economics to class 11 and here I am with the second book of class 11 economics statistics and here I am starting with the first chapter introduction. We shall be getting introduced to the various statistical means, tools which we have to study. And what is economics if I ask you? Then economics simply means the study of human beings in the monetary sense. That is, when we talk of finance, money, that is the time economics is required. And the present day society, which is more of a capitalist society, we need economics too much. Alfred Marshall, a great economist, said that economics is a study of ordinary human beings in ordinary businesses. That is to say, whatever we are doing ordinarily to live, to survive, to sustain, that is in fact the study of economics. From a child to a person of an old age, everybody is engaged in some kind of economic activities and thus the study of economics becomes vital for all of us. But before we go deeper into statistics, we will try and understand the terms of economics. And those are, first of all, consumer. Consumer is in fact you and me, any person who consumes the production, who uses the production is a consumer. When I buy something for myself or something to gift it to somebody, I am a consumer. Next is a seller, a person, it could be a shopkeeper, it could be a vendor, a person who sells some product is a seller. And likewise, the person who buys that product from the open market is a buyer. Next is the producer, a person who produces things or rather who changes the things from the raw material shape to the finished product is a producer. He could be a person working in the factory, he could be a person working in the industry. In fact, he is a producer, the one who is shaping the raw material into products which are ready for use. Next is service holder. When we pick up a job at a place, in an office, school, hospital, the person who is given us the job and who is paying us the money for it is the service holder. Then we have the service provider, but not all of us are engaged in jobs. Some of us provide services. It could be the taxi driver who gives his service. It could be some professional who comes and gives his advice. So, these people who provide service in some or the other form and to the person to whom they are providing the service is the service provider. Then economic activity. Economic activity means when we are engaged in any kind of monetary making efforts, that's called as economic activity. The efforts, the works that we do which generate money is the economic activity. Next is the saving. Saving is when we earn, we try and save little, that is the money which is little more than what we need and we keep it in the bank or at home is our saving. But then there is investment. When this saving generates more money, this saving is just lying dead, but investment is when this money gets multiplied is investment. It could even be in the form of buying assets. That could also be your investment. It could be the bonds, it could be the shares, it could be the land, and these are the terms which every student of class 11 economics must be aware of. Now next is, what do we get if we do nothing? If we do nothing, we will gain nothing. And here is a beautiful story of Aladdin and his magic lamp. He was very lucky. He was not like us. Whatever he wanted, he used to rub the lamp and a genie used to appear and give him whatever he wanted. But it doesn't happen in real life. We have to work hard to get what we want. So, for the wants, we have to work. We were talking of the story of Aladdin and his magic lamp, wherein his desires were unlimited, but what he got was also unlimited. That is, both the demand and the supply were unlimited. The genie could provide anything to everything what he wanted. But this is not the case with all of us. Look at yourself. The money, that is the pocket money that you get, is not sufficient for all the wants that you have. So these unlimited wants that we have leads to scarcity. We feel we have less money. When we see that the people who are there looking for some new things but they are not able to buy it, that's scarcity. And this scarcity arises because of the unlimited wants. Then there are also many choices which one can make from. It could be any person. For example, a farmer. He would have to decide whether he wants to grow fodder crop or he wants to grow commercial crop. So there are choices which are made. Thus we need to study economics. Now here we see long queues in the railway ticket lines, in the cinema hall lines. This is all because of the scarcity and also because of the choice which is available to the people. And this will continue unless and until the mankind is there, because there will be scarcity. Even if I have unlimited resources, I will still feel the need of having little more. And choice, of course, it's widely available in the market.